Wahala be like Bobrisky, oh, it's too dey aggressive, my people. These people matter, you don't dey turn to series. Bobrisky and him PA again, my people. This one now, okay, for now we don't know am now. Oh yeah, the same person from wetin be that in country sef? Ivory Coast. Now, for now we know, I dey sure say many of una don hear about this matter. He draw Bobrisky for a tattoo. He do this one. Yes, now because of the assault issue wey happen, this girl don finally go back to where they do tattoo. Now they don't they change the tattoo. They don't. I don't know if una ask me. I bet nobody ask me because I don't know wetin they put on top. But if una ask me, I just dey see flower. I don't know whether na flower. I don't know whether na person name. I no just know, but I just know say wahala just full inside this matter. So I bring am come una side for una wey una never see the tattoo. Wetin they write anyhow. Na why e good me una learn language because e dey for French. But anyhow, una go say now they put this to be watch. Hey, abeg, first of all, my question be say, why this girl go cover this tattoo with another tattoo? Una no understand. Because even as she put another thing on top, the fact remains say Bobrisky lives inside. In fact, this one no be under her skin, inside her skin. Bobrisky still dey there. In my mind, I think say, oh yeah, as they don't fight, she go cut off, in fact, that whole part. Now wetin me I think, oh, say she go cut that whole part so that we go know say, okay, now Bobrisky no dey again. Nonsense. You dey go, you know, who send you message in the first place where they go carry this go put? But me will not say, yeah, you don't totally remove her, you dey go add another thing inside. My people, all of una way they think say love. This thing love not the inside. It is simple as ABCD. Money. This girl do this thing because of money. Now why? See, all of una wey no say una like they follow this thing. Now longer throat go kill una. Longer throat. You go just hear, they've given somebody 1 million or he draw tattoo. You too, you go follow. Start they do tattoo. I don't know where una they keep una sense. I no just know. Una sense. I don't know where una they keep her. You dey tattoo person before, now you dey come cover up. Why you dey cover up? I hope say this thing now go teach una lesson. Our tattoo gang, Tattoo Association of Nigerian Celebrities. I hope say this thing go teach una lesson now. Except if you get blockhead, you no fit think again. No, I dey see even as I dey talk this one now. Person don sit down now. They draw another person. Wetin be that one name? I see one man, he dey draw Messi, ex-Big Brother Naija winner. He don't go draw am. I bet put the picture. No, this one I just make una see. Man, no. And then we never even finish Bobrisky matter. Another person don't go draw. Block-headed people. Una body now don't turn to drawing board. Una they draw, una they erase, una they draw. See, I bet Nigeria already don't get plenty problems. The problems wey we get for this country, you see, I will say I will put her in one word, but you know reach. It is too small. So if una ask me for my own advice now, because make this girl carry herself go back to Ivory Coast. Now my advice, I know they insult anybody. Make she just jejely go. You know why I dey talk am? Because whether you clean tattoo, whether you still stay for Lagos, whether you know they change anything, rather you even dey increase. And if you no take time, whether because they say she fake that thing, the real one I go come. So it better make you just see silently, just pack your things and be going. You get time to come reconstruct tattoo, but you no get that time to show us injury. Bobrisky don't call her outside. Oh yeah, if you say I injured you, show us picture. We still dey wait. Even me at the wait. Now why they tell una say, hey, these two people they lie. So anyhow way be my people. Now for here we go still bring una the picture. That is if injury even exists. But meanwhile, now the tattoo matter be this. She don't go redo am. abi reshape am, abi rechange am, anyone. So wetin una gats talk concerning this one? And I know say Bobrisky dey watch me like this, so they don change your name, levuvu Bobrisky, they don change am. Na flower now we go dey see. Anyhow, my people, I still wan know una opinion because e matter to me. So start dey drop am for that comment section. And yes, this Friday una dey get new TV presenter for this place. No more surprises, no more delay, no more guessing. This very Friday, so abeg make all of una dey updated. Na why una need click on that notification bell. If not, you no go get who the person be. And I still wonder wetin una dey think concerning this matter. Drop am for the comment section, and as usual, I go reply una one by one. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Stay tuned for our next story. 80-year-old woman and im granddaughter and 2 other people, my people, they don arrest them. 80-year-old woman. Abeg make una start dey keep the details down, because they catch them with 192 kg of cocaine. No be only cocaine dey inside o. My people, if una see the kind drugs wey dey pack, e dey happen for Ondo State as we dey speak. Na the grandmother na 80 years, the granddaughter that one na 18 years, and then 2 other people. They catch them. The people wey catch them na the same National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, because they carry different, in fact, make I even use good English, assorted illicit drugs, and among them tramadol dey inside. Wetin dey call that one? Methamphetamine, abi wetin? Abeg na we know all of una wey dey deal with them, na im be that. Suinol, cocaine, heroin, squishes. In fact, they plenty. My people, I bring am come una side because I wan make una, in fact, make una see our new wetin dey call am, Mama Escobar. Because join me, make we watch the video.
2021, officers of NDLA Ondo State Command arrested you and Mama in your place at Ayeyemi area of Ondo State with these exhibits here: screw shoes, cocaine, heroin, tramadol, and Colorado, and methamphetamine. Do you know that these drugs are illegal? You don't know. Just raise your voice up. You don't know that they are illegal. So who owns these things that you were arrested? These exhibits you were arrested? It's for your brother. Yes. What's the name of your brother? Tunde. Tunde who? Okwade. Tunde Okwade, and who again? Goke Okwade. Goke Okwade. So they are in joint business. Okay, what's your relationship with Grandma? She's my grandmother. How old are you? 18. 18 years. Mama, how old is Mama? 80. 80 years. So do you know that these businesses you are doing are illegal business? You don't know? Yes. And you know that these things are injurious to human health and it can kill you? You don't know?
80 years. I been waiting this woman still dey fine. Like, I don't understand. 80, una know wetin be 80 years? Just imagine old woman wey be 80 years for this kind business, like this kind hustle. I dey try understand. Hey, the girl even dey talk say she no know say na illegal. Say the drugs she feel say na normal. Just imagine, just dey imagine. And with the old woman's reaction, if una watch am very very well, if una watch am well, una go know say this woman, see, e dey very very obvious say e don tey when she dey inside this business. E don tey. See how she dey do. And you know old women, they go dey pretend like say you know say they all old, they go come, they fit put this sick face so that you go pity them. See, this woman don dey inside this business long. But wetin I no understand now be say, abeg, how person go dey sell drugs and yet e still dey look like who dey beg? Like, I no understand. I still dey try to understand that. You dey sell drugs, but you dey look like who person wey where the money, all the money wey dey? Because these drugs wey we dey talk about, no be all these cheap drugs. So where all the money dey enter? For all of una una dey talk say she doesn't know what she's selling, she's innocent. Una dey sure? Una dey sure? Because now all these drug dealers, they look for people wey even if they commit any harsh, I don't know whether that thing even dey happen, because they even tell me say if you reach one certain age, as per old people, say e get certain age wey they no fit send you go prison again. I don't know whether na true. So if that thing na true, meaning say they go, all these drug dealers, they go find person wey they go just use, because they know say if they go on their own, they are young, definitely they go enter prison. But make una no forget something. There is no ignorance in court of law. Whether you know what you are doing, whether you did not know what you are doing, there is no ignorance. My people, the law is still the law. This woman, all of una wey dey do drugs, make una continue. No, just continue. They do continue. Well, e be like say all the matters wey una don hear, una no, you know, they teach una lesson. They've arrested this person, they've done this one, una still they go inside this. Okay, this your age, madam, you never even ready to retire. 80 years. Like, no, hey, that the age even they shock me. You know, time when you suppose dey your house, they relax, or maybe I don't understand, you they push drugs. And as for what did they call the National Drug what agency, una they do well. I can see the energy and everything now, because it's normal people. I beg. I beg. I want to see the same energy. Oh, post the video and pictures. This thing I go still they talk. Of all those people, top people where they come outside, they do their own. I beg. We also want to see them. I mean, my people now don't want to see them. We want to see names, pictures. If possible, if you even send us videos, we want to see. In fact, I don't vex sef. This old woman and the daughter, they no go arrest them. No arrest them. Go and look for those ones where they push. You know how many? Make I don't even enter that place is too deep for me to enter right now. All of them top people, but because they know say nobody go fear arrest them, nobody go bring their matter outside. No, they go still they do it. So therefore now they find the small ones, those innocent or those people where no get money, no get power. Now that one they go boldly come outside, expose them, show us video. See this one, they even interrogate English where you don't even know where you learn it from. Now they come outside, they do. It is well, oh. This is our country. It is very well with us, my people. We not be smart, but how we for do? We don't already dey inside the country. Not even if you do about that. You understand? We go take a like that. And only God go take us out of this whole mess we don't enter inside. Now the matter with this, my people, and I want make una know say we go soon get a new presenter for this platform. Guess who the person be? I go give you a small tip. Now from the southeast states. Yes, so make the comments start the roll down. If you know, abi you dey suspect who the person fit be, because start the dropper for that side. And don't forget to click on that subscription bell so that you no go miss anything we get here for you. And why not? I still dey wait for the comment. Make they start the roll down. Share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen for one-on-one TV. Stay tuned for our next story.